Hello and welcome to this video. Have you ever downloaded assets online and you open it on Cinema 4D and all you could see is black? Today I'm going to show you how to solve such a problem. So here is a DAE file I downloaded from Sketchfab. So I'm going to open it up on using Cinema 4D. So from Cinema 4D, I go to File, Open. Now navigate to where I extracted the file. So I'm going to click on it and say open. Then comes this dialog box which consists of preset and settings. I'm going to leave it at default and say OK. And if you look at my object manager, it's been loaded. Then coming to my viewport, all you can see is black everywhere. Then here are the materials. You can see some of them are showing while others are completely black. Now I'm going to double click on one of them. Let's find out what's happening. Then come to this place. You can see that Cinema 4D is looking at the wrong location for the materials. So we're going to tell Cinema 4D how to look at the right location so that it can update the materials. So to resolve this issue, all I simply do is go to Windows, Project Aspect Inspector. So when you click on the asset, there's no preview or anything, and the status is not good. So what I can do right now is to select all the assets, right clicking and say select all, then come to assets and I will say relink access. So I'm going to go to the location where the assets are saved and I'm going to select that folder. So this is this texture containing the assets. So I'm going to select the folder that contains the assets, the materials. I'll come here and click on select folder. And you see what happens? The status is now linked. So I'm going to close this. And look at the materials. They are now linked. And so now that I've linked everything, I'm going to save this now. So I want to open it again. And that is it. Everything has been relinked. And that is the easiest way to go about it. So this is how to link your assets when Cinema 4D fails to find its location. Now if I can go back to the materials now and click on this, you will see that the location has been updated from drive C, which you previously have, to drive D, which is where the assets are saved. Now there could be another instance whereby if you go to Windows, Project Asset Inspector, if you find question marks or exclamation marks under the status, you will not need to use relink. In that case, you're going to make use of globalize file names and everything will be sorted out. So thanks for watching this video. See you on the next one.